In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send zip files using Gmail. Sending large files can sometimes be a challenge, but zip files make it easier by compressing your files into a smaller package. Our focus today will be on how you can use Gmail to efficiently send these compressed files. First, you'll want to begin by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to Gmail. Once you're logged in, look to the top left corner of the screen and click on the Compose button. This will open a new email window where you can draft your message. Next, it's time to add the recipient. In the To field, enter the email address of the person or people you wish to send the file to. Remember, Gmail allows you to add multiple recipients, so feel free to include as many as you need. Writing a clear and concise subject line is important, as it helps the recipient understand the purpose of your email at a glance. Now, let's address the body of the email. Here, type out any message or instructions you want to provide regarding the files you're sending. It's always nice to offer a brief explanation or greeting, and this can be especially helpful if you're sending files that need context or require specific actions from the recipient. Once you've completed your message, you'll need to attach your zip file. Look for the paperclip icon typically found near the Send button, which represents attachments. Clicking on the paperclip icon will open your File Explorer. Navigate to the location on your device where the zip file is saved. Go ahead and select the file, then click Open or Choose to attach it to your email. Note that Gmail has a size limit for attachments, which is generally around 25 megabytes. If your file is larger than this, Gmail will automatically suggest using Google Drive, allowing you to upload the file there and share a link instead. With your file attached, it's a good idea to double-check that everything in your email looks correct. Ensure that the recipient's email address is spelled correctly and that your message conveys the necessary information. Once you're satisfied, go ahead and click the Send button. Keep in mind that it's always courteous to follow up with your recipient to confirm they received the file and to see if they need any additional assistance. If you're frequently sending large files, consider informing your recipients about the benefits and simplicity of using zip files. This not only improves communication, but also enhances efficiency. And there you have it. You've successfully sent a zip file using Gmail. Remember, zip files are a versatile way to compress and share multiple files quickly and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful guides.